Blade handle, blade handle. All right. Hey guys, I just bought this grubbing hoe from AM Leonard. It just came and it looks great. So I want to say one thing. I probably should have known this. So this is the screw that I got to kind of hold the actual hoe in, right? So you see that? So it's in there. So this is like super cheap, and I probably should have thrown it away. So I pre-drilled a little hole because I think this is an ash handle, right? So I pre-drilled, and then I used my DeWalt impact driver, just not super hard, but sort of just trying to get it in, and it stripped it. So anyway, so I'm gonna have to, and then it wasn't really even up farther, so I'm gonna probably have to push a screw towards that way and find something in here. Anyway, I think it's a good tool, and I'm just saying, AM Leonard, guys, just maybe try to give me something better than this. And I do see this is made in China, which is fine. So we'll see how this goes. So just wanted to throw that out there if you find one of these. Maybe there was some instructions I should have read, but I figured it would be easy to kind of put together. So I'm sure it's gonna be a great tool. I just need to get the hoe part on. All right, so maybe it was my mistake. So I ended up moving, I hand took out the thing that came, whoops, it's not that one, it's this one, that came with the tool. And then I had this one, but then I realized if I'm sort of semi-toenailing it, it's fine. But then the head was too small for that, so I ended up using another one, so slightly shorter than that. And then this time I pushed the hoe piece, the blade, I pushed it as hard as I could. So now it's in there as tight as it can be. So now I'm happy. I think this thing is going to be really good. We do a lot of smaller sod things, and I feel like the effort involved with this, from an MMA standpoint, your energy might be better used using gravity, gravity to kind of go down with it, right? To go down rather than using a lot of energy to shovel straight out, right? But I think there's more energy to then pull from there. So I think this will be better. I'm pretty sure. You don't have to be a scientist to know that. Whatever they did back in the Middle Ages, it's definitely better than anything we do now. Pears.